Simply by opening emails while lying in bed and drinking your favorite coffee, you may earn $30 every hour. It was a dream for most of us until this approach was released a few days ago. So, how are you going to do it? This is how you can make money online simply by reading emails. This is becoming one of the most profitable methods of earning money online. It's very basic and straightforward, but you must ensure that everything is set up correctly before you can begin earning money by simply opening emails on your smartphone or computer. If you don't feel like working right now, set your smart device to open emails for you on autopilot. Keep an eye on the screen because I'll teach you how to accomplish it. To get started, you don't need any prior experience. This method is absolutely free, which means you won't have to pay anything to get started. This approach is also available all over the world. So, regardless of where you are from, you will be able to profit with this strategy. To begin earning money every day with this strategy, all you need is a smartphone or a computer. Welcome to my channel where I'll teach you how to make money online. Before we begin with the video, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on. As a result, you'll always be the first to know when I post a new money-making approach, allowing you to be the first to use it and, of course, make the most money. Don't forget that at the end of this video, I'll offer you a secret extra that will allow you to double or even treble your earnings from this website. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the finish to catch all of my suggestions and extras. Do you have a working email address? Do you go through your inbox on a frequent basis? If you check your emails on Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Outlook, AOL, or other similar services, consider yourself extremely fortunate because what I'm about to teach you will allow you to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month simply by opening and reading emails. You only need to open the email and read it to make money. You can repeat this process as many times as you like in order to earn as much money as possible. If you remain with me until the end of this video, you will be rewarded. I'll show you some incredible extra tips that will help you generate 3 times as much money with this method. Let's get started with the video. On this screen, you may view some of the website's features as well as how you will be compensated for reading emails. You will receive daily paid emails, which you will earn money just opening and reading. You will be paid using a fast payment processing system. On this website, the minimum withdrawal is $15. You can join this website for free, and as soon as you complete the registration process, you will receive a $3 bonus as a welcome gift. You may also earn money by taking paid surveys, which pay anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per survey, and you can refer your friends and earn money from them. Before I show you how to register on this website, you must first ensure that you have 2 items. One of them is a PayPal account, which you'll need to gather and transfer your profits to cash. You must create a PayPal account if you do not already have one. To do so, go to paypal.com and click this button to begin the enrollment procedure. Here and then create an account. Following that, you must ensure that you have only one email account. earning points, and more. However, opening emails in your email account is the primary source of cash from this website. After you sign up for this website, you will begin receiving emails that you can view and then use to earn money. Now, scroll down on this website until you reach the section that reads, Free Methods to be Rewarded for Your Online Actions. Videos on the big screen as well. Look forward to seeing you in the future video.